Script writing takes a good amount of time, and although ChatGPT is free and continuously improving, it has a few limitations. For instance, you can only edit one thing at a time. In today's video, I will introduce an AI tool that combines the capabilities of ChatGPT 4 with the features of MS Word. ChatArt is a suite of AI tools specifically designed for writing and text production. As you can see, it includes several AI tools such as SEO Article Creation, AI Editor, Article Rewriter, Grammarly, SEO Checker, and Plagiarism Detection tools. On the side panel, you'll find additional tools for handling and organizing your content, as well as some other useful features. This software is available across iOS, Android, and Windows. We'll dive straight into the SEO Article Creation tool. Once I click to start, I'll arrive at this page. To begin, I'll write down the topic of the article I want to create in this field. I'll choose a professional tone and keep the perspective in the third person. The article's language is set to English. In the advanced options, you can modify settings like the target audience, article length, and even include a description of your brand or product if you're writing about a specific service or item. I'll switch the toggle to generate a cover image for my article using AI. I'll click Next Step and arrive here, where I select references to be included in the article. The AI tool searches the internet and finds several related articles. I'll select up to 5 references for the AI to build upon when writing the final article. After making my selections, I'll click Next Step to proceed. This is where I choose the main keyword for the entire article. You can see search volume, ranking difficulty, and trend data for each keyword. I'll select the keyword I want to rank for, and then move on to the next step. Here, I'll choose a title for my article, which I can change later if needed. On the next page, I'll select secondary keywords. As before, search volume, ranking difficulty, and trend data are displayed. On the next page, article outlines are generated. I can edit, add, or delete sections and subtitles here. For example, I will add FAQs. Final step, I'll click Generate Article, and within seconds, the full article is ready. The entire article appears in this editor, along with the AI-generated image. I can edit, format, and customize the entire article before moving on to the next step, publishing and sharing. I'll start by rewriting the intro paragraph. I'll highlight the paragraph, and some options appear. I'll click on Tone Optimization and select Be More Inspiring. The AI will rewrite the selection to make it more inspiring, and I can then choose to add or replace it. I'll also click to add more details to the paragraph. Afterward, I'll use the Length Optimization feature to keep the intro concise. I can apply these changes to any part of the article. There's an option to create an image using AI for any paragraph or section. All I need to do is highlight the portion I want, click on Generate Image, hit Enter, and let the AI do the work. I can then add this image to the article and format any other part as needed. At the bottom of the interface, you'll see options for optimization, export, download, and sharing. The Optimize Format option allows you to preview how the article will appear on various devices, especially mobile, when it's published online. Once I'm done writing the article, I can click Export at the bottom of the interface. There are 3 main export options: Word document, HTML, and PDF formats. Choose the one you need, and you're good to go. Let's explore the other AI tools available in this software. First, I'll check out the AI Editor. This tool is used to edit existing articles and text with AI. At the top of the interface, you'll find various text formatting tools, including an option to select the AI model you want to work with, such as GPT, Gemini, or Claude. I'll select GPT 4o. To begin, I have an already written article that I'll paste into the editor. I'll also provide a title. Next, I'll start rewriting, expanding, shortening, and optimizing the parts of the passage I want to improve. As you can see, I can format all parts of the passage as desired. I'll use AI to generate a cover image for the article based on the intro paragraph. The AI has generated a pretty good image, though some of the text is hard to make out, but it's a good start. I'll preview how it looks when optimized for the web, and it seems decent. I'll download this as a PDF document. The final AI tool I'll review in this video is the AI Article Rewriting tool. With this tool, you can rewrite an existing article by copying and pasting it into a field, or by entering the link to an article online, which the AI will then rewrite. Let's test the web link option. I'll visit one of my favorite websites, copy the URL of an article, and paste it into the tool. The AI will analyze the website, and when I click Rewrite, the output is generated within seconds. From what I can see, it did an impressive job. You can even take the rewritten content to the AI editor for further refinement. To wrap things up, the other tools here work as described. The Grammarly tool corrects grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. The SEO Checker analyzes your content to show how it ranks, and suggests ways to improve its SEO score. The Plagiarism Detector checks whether your content passes a plagiarism check. There's a link in the video description below where you can head over to their website and check out this AI tool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.